What are the different operations performed on queues? Write an algorithm for deleting element from a queue. Answer. In queue is inserting an element, and the size of the element to find the number of elements, and is empty is a function for to check for queue empty, and dequeue is for deleting an element from the queue. So these are different operations on the queue. That is enqueue size is empty dequeue. Then for the algorithm, if front is equal to null, underflow that is empty queue and exit. Else queue of front is put in term, and if front is equal to rear, so front is initialized to 0 and rear is also initialized to 0. Else front is equal to front plus 1, that is incrementing the queue. This way we insert the element into the queue. So the given element, a copy of it is kept, and if both front and rear are the same, there's only one element in the queue. Initially we initialize front and rear both to 0, and then we increment the front when the element is inserted. So what is sorting? An algorithm for insertion sorting. Sorting is the process of arranging the set of values in a predefined order. Algorithm for insertion sort. For I equal to 0 to n minus 1, value of I is put into j, that is j is equal to I. While j is greater than 0, then we swap the elements. If a of I is less than a of I minus 1, that is if the second element is lesser than the first element, then we swap it so that the first element becomes the smallest. So t is equal to a of I, and a of I is equal to a of I minus 1, and a of I minus 1 is equal to t. So this swaps the elements which are there in a of I and a of I minus 1. End if j is equal to j minus 1, that is we are decrementing the value of j which has been initialized to end while and end for. This is the insertion sort algorithm.